Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today is Monday and this morning when I woke up I was 64.9 kilo. That is a net loss of 800 grams since yesterday and 5.3 kilo in the past 43 days since I started this calorie deficit journey. I slept all night. I was very happy about that and I woke up meal prepped. I fasted for 18 hours, broke my fast at around noon. Did not go to the gym because it was Sunday and I just wanted to go to the beach. Walked to go there, walk back, and for a total of 14,387 steps or 9.9 kilometers. I ate my last meal at 4:30, finished at 5:15, and this is going to be very interesting. When I came back from the beach, I was very hungry and I knew I had a meal that was ready for me. So that was the potatoes that I fried, that I sauteed in butter in the pan, and then I had the salmon that was steamed and green and red pepper mix. That was my meal. It was prepped and I put it to heat up, but as I was waiting I was starving and I took a handful of muesli, dry muesli, not in milk, just like this. And that, my friends, I have no idea how many calories was in there. So it's an estimate that I took approximately 40 grams. But it could have been 100 grams, it could have been 20 grams, I have no idea. And it's not that I wanted to weigh more today to prove a point, but it would have been really, really interesting to see, oh, I'm 65.9 to this morning, what could have explained that? And the only thing that could have actually explained that would have been the muesli. I have no idea how much I consumed of. And that's to illustrate. In terms of estimation, yesterday I ate approximately 1,190 calories, which is very low. That's not the real number. The real number, nobody knows, because when you take a handful, you have no idea how many calories is in that handful. It's only the scale that's going to tell you exactly how many calories is in the portion that you're about to consume. And so no, I didn't want to weigh more, but because I'm happy that I lost the weight, I'm just saying that it is very representative of what we do on a daily basis. Even when we think we're tracking our calories, we're really not. If we ever have a little tablespoon of peanut butter that we lick after having counted, say for example you're making a bowl of fruits and yogurt and you put everything on a scale. Everything is accounted for. But what do you do with a spoon that's full of peanut butter? You're just going to rinse it. Sure, you can, but most people will just lick the spoon. And that amount that you licked of peanut butter, which is, by the way, very high in calories, for a very small quantity, you have no idea how much that was. So you're going to put a number of peanut butter that you put on a scale. You're going to not complete it with whatever you had on your tablespoon. And so that's why it's very important when you start a plan and you're following a certain structure or you're trying to reduce your calories. When we talk about a calorie deficit, we're really talking about trying as much as we can to count the calories, not count them, but track them accurately so we can, at the end of the day, draw conclusions that are accurate. And at the moment, I just want to look at the data for myself, but later on, I will talk about how complicated it is to understand what we should eat, what we shouldn't eat, how much we should eat, should we track calories, should we not track calories, and this is the only reason why I'm doing this data analysis and I'm trying to be as transparent as I can. Hence why I showed you when I ate pizza, hence why I showed you when I don't go to the gym, etc. And I put my weight every morning. I want to be as transparent in my data analysis journey because I want to show you how difficult it is to listen to whoever is talking on the internet about what you should be doing and follow that person. The only thing that matters is you. The only thing that matters for myself, for me, is me. Okay, my body. How am I reacting to certain foods, certain quantities, certain schedules, and how am I reacting to hunger? Am I happy? Am I hungry all the time? Am I satisfied after my meals? This is what you need to learn for yourself. This is what I'm showing you how I'm doing on myself, but the whole plan is to teach you how to learn what you prefer. And by the way, you may change during the year. In the summer, you might have different habits than in the winter. So it's always good to really listen to yourself. But to go back to my muesli, I have no idea how many grams I had of muesli. I had a few handfuls. So I just put 40 grams thinking that's kind of what it looks like, but maybe it was 20 grams, maybe it was 50 grams, we'll never know. So in the meantime, my total calorie, as I said, 1,190 calories, 35.6 grams of protein, which is very low. I broke my fast at noon and I did not feel like having a shake. I really wanted to have pancakes. So I made oat pancakes, oat, yogurt and egg mix with a bit of sugar. That was a great little breakfast. Ate 2 apples on my way to the beach and at the beach. And then, yeah, that explains why. It really 100% explains why I was so hungry. When I arrived at home from the beach, it's because I had 2 apples, a little bit of oats, half an egg in my system. I didn't have a lot of protein. I didn't have a lot of food before that. So at the time when I left, I was happy, I was satisfied, but later on I got really hungry. Whereas if I had drank a protein shake, with a banana, with maybe soy milk if I wanted, or seeds, this bulks up the shake and it bulks up the amount of fat, the amount of protein that I consume in the morning. I would have been a lot more satisfied longer, and I don't think I would have had that handful of muesli. Honestly, muesli, I don't really care for it. It's good, but it's very sweet and it's more of a dessert than a breakfast, I think. But it's the chocolate muesli that I ate. But I didn't really know what to get very quickly while my potato, salmon and pepper was cooking. I was really like, I can't wait. I just want to quench this hunger. So yeah, that's what I did. So I had a little bit of cheese and crackers after that and finished with a little square of chocolate. I finished eating at 5:15 p.m. So that's for yesterday. I hope you're having a beautiful day and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.